All right, so we just learned how to pattern this using a sketch to create our circles, but the problem is it doesn't say that it's a pattern over here. So it's a little tricky to find and edit your pattern. You have to right click, edit your sketch, and then you can right click and edit your pattern. So this would be if you wanted to change spacing or anything like that. This is also where you can delete your pattern. So that's what we're gonna do because I'm going to show you guys how to do it in a feature view. So we're going to delete our pattern and that's going to leave us only with our original circle here. Okay, so I'm going to finish my sketch. And again, because I started with it, a part that was already done, it's already extruded. Okay, and now not on my sketch tab, right? Sketch tab is for 2D. Here I'm going to go to 3D and I'm going to find my rectangular pattern. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking a 3-dimensional object and patterning the entire 3-dimensional object, okay? So here I can do a rectangular pattern. It's asking me which feature I want. So this is the feature that I want. And then direction 1, let me orient this. So direction 1 is this way. I want 3 of them. I want them to be 0.5 inches apart. Then direction 2 is going to be this way. I want 2 of them and I want them to be 0.5 inches apart. Okay, so now I've got the same pattern, but now it shows up as a rectangular pattern in and of its own right. So you can edit the feature here and automatically pull up how to dimension it. Now I will say one advantage of doing it in the sketching way is that you can actually extrude these all to different heights. Okay, whereas when you pattern a feature, they all have to be exactly the same. Okay, because it's already a 3-dimensional object and you're just saying make a whole bunch of these. Okay, I'm going to undo what I just did and go back to my sketch pattern. Okay, so here's my finished sketch just to show you guys. So again, I've gone back to patterning in a sketch, and what I can do is edit my feature. Okay, so all I did was pattern the pencil drawing of a circle, but now I can actually extrude each of these individually. So if I wanted to extrude this one up 0.1, and then I'm going to add a second one, I'm going to extrude this one up 0.2. Okay, and then I can extrude this one up 0.3. Whoops, I did 2 sketch profiles there. All right, one here, I'm going to do this one 0.3. I'm going to add another. I'm going to consume that sketch and make this one 0.2. Okay, and then we'll just say all of these are going to be 0.2. Okay, obviously this doesn't look like a Lego anymore, but patterning in sketches allows you to extrude them differently because all you've done is pattern a 2-dimensional shape. When you do it the feature way, when you pattern using the feature, it's already 3 dimensions and all you can do is copy it. So they have pros and cons. One's a little bit easier to see on your toolbar, it's a little easier to edit. One gives you a little bit more flexibility. So that was how you could create this Lego using patterns both in sketches and in features.